everyone, how are you all? Welcome once again to the chemistry class. So let's begin with today's class. As you all know children, we are dealing with chapter 4, structure of an atom in chemistry, and in the last class we have discussed about electronic configuration. In today's class children, we are going to discuss about valency, atomic number, mass number, isotopes and isobars. So let's start with it. So children, to understand the concept of valency, first of all try to understand the term what are valence electrons. The electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom are known as valence electrons. These electrons determine the valency of an atom. Valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom, that is, their tendency to react and form molecules with atoms of the same or different elements. So children, now try to understand how to calculate valency. For the atoms having valence electrons less than or equal to 4, valency is the same as that of the number of valence electrons in that atom. For example, valency of magnesium, that is having atomic number 12, 282 is the configuration, will be 2. If number of valence electrons exceed 4, then the valency is equal to 8 minus the number of valence electrons. For example, valency of oxygen is going to be 2 because the oxygen's number is 8, electronic configuration becomes 2, 6. Therefore, in the valence shell, the electrons are 6 and the valency will be calculated by subtracting 6 from 8 and it will come out to be 2. One thing more children, try to understand. Valency of atoms with 8 valence electrons is 0 as they have fully filled valence shell and cannot gain or lose electrons to form molecules or compounds. The next term that we have to understand is atomic number, which is denoted by capital Z. Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Since an atom is electrically neutral, thus number of protons and number of electrons are equal. Therefore, atomic number, that is Z, is equal to number of protons and is equal to the number of electrons. Children, try to understand here. Atomic number, number of protons and number of electrons. It's the same number. Now we will be discussing about mass number. Mass number children, it is denoted by capital A. The total number of the protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. It is denoted by A. Right now I have told you. The protons and neutrons together are called nucleons. The number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is represented by N. So now children, next term is isotopes. Atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are known as isotopes. For example children, you know carbon's atomic number is 6 and we have two isotopes of carbon, that is one having mass number 12 and another having mass number 14. So these are considered to be two isotopes of carbon. Similarly, we can have the two isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine's atomic number is 17 children. So both the isotopes atomic number will be 17. But in case of the mass numbers, one chlorine isotope is having mass number 35 and another is having mass number 37. So these are the two isotopes of chlorine. So it's very clear from these two examples children that isotopes are those which are having same atomic number but different mass numbers, but they have to be the atoms of the same element. Since the chemical properties of all isotopes of an element are the same, normally we are not concerned about taking a mixture. But some isotopes have very special properties which find them useful in various fields. Some of the applications of isotopes are isotopes of uranium. They are used as fuel in nuclear reactors. An isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer and an isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. So now children, try to understand what are isobars. Isobars are the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers. For example, let us consider two elements, calcium atomic number 20 and argon atomic number 18. The number of electrons in these two atoms is different, but the mass number of both these elements is 40. That is, the total number of nucleons, which is protons plus neutrons, is the same in the atoms of this pair of elements. So, we say these are two isobars. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries if you have any on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.